Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your keyboard is not working when playing games guys on your Windows computer. Check the condition of your keyboard. If using an external plug and playing keyboard, try swapping it out with another keyboard. If you have one and see it if maybe it was just an older keyboard. Let's try it guys. Let's resolve the issues. If the keyboard is problem, go to search menu and type troubleshoot setting, open it, go to other troubleshooters, want to scroll down, keyboard option, run it. No changes or update were necessary. Close out of here and want to go to Steam, open file location. Want to click on Steam again, right click and want to go to open file location. Now you search for, click anything here and type U in keyboard guys. You need to find user data, double click on it. Want to go to these numbers, want to go to 7 number, want to delete the remote cache VDF, want to delete it guys. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thanks for watching my video.